Mechanical technology, often simply referred to as mechanical engineering, is a branch of engineering that focuses on the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. These systems can range from simple devices like a bicycle to complex machines like aircraft and power plants. Mechanical technology is a broad and versatile field that plays a fundamental role in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, energy, manufacturing, and robotics. Here's an introduction to some key aspects of mechanical technology. Design. Mechanical engineers design products and systems, taking into account factors such as functionality, safety, cost, and aesthetics. They use computer-aided design, CAD, software to create detailed drawings and models. Analysis. Engineers perform various types of analysis to ensure that their designs will work as intended. This includes structural analysis to determine if a structure can withstand the forces it will encounter and thermal analysis to evaluate how components will handle heat. Material selection. Mechanical engineers choose materials that are suitable for a particular application. They consider factors like strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Manufacturing. Mechanical engineers work closely with manufacturing processes to ensure that their designs can be produced efficiently and cost-effectively. They may be involved in selecting manufacturing methods, overseeing production, and troubleshooting any issues that arise. Thermodynamics. Understanding the principles of thermodynamics is crucial for many mechanical systems, especially in energy production and conversion. Engineers use thermodynamics to design efficient engines, turbines, and heat exchangers. Mechanics. Knowledge of classical mechanics is fundamental to mechanical engineering. Engineers apply principles of mechanics to analyze and predict the behavior of mechanical systems, from simple machines to complex mechanisms. Robotics and automation. Mechanical engineers play a key role in the design and development of robots and automated systems used in manufacturing, healthcare, and various other industries. Fluid mechanics. This area deals with the behavior of fluids, liquids and gases, and is important in the design of pumps, turbines, HVAC systems, and fluid transport systems. Control systems. Engineers design control systems to regulate the behavior of mechanical systems. This includes designing feedback loops and using sensors and actuators to automate processes. Renewable energy. Mechanical engineers often work on projects related to renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric power generation. Environmental considerations. As environmental concerns become more prominent, mechanical engineers are increasingly involved in designing sustainable and eco-friendly systems. Safety and quality assurance. Ensuring the safety and quality of products and systems is a primary concern for mechanical engineers. They must adhere to industry standards and regulations. Mechanical technology is a dynamic field that continually evolves with advancements in materials, technology, and industry needs. Mechanical engineers are problem solvers who apply their knowledge and skills to a wide range of challenges, from developing cutting-edge technology to improving everyday products and processes. Their work is essential to the modern world, impacting everything from transportation and energy production to healthcare and consumer goods.